Today, we're just going for a walk in Alaska. But anyways, whoa, what is that? Is that a wooden made structure? Holy cow, man, come over here. Let's take a look. Anyways, we have a ladder. Oh my gosh, there's a straight ladder. And is that watermelon? Absolute delicious watermelon. Anyways, taking a break from the watermelon. Is this a well-made support? I gotta test out if this can hold my weight. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man, it can. Is this a ladder? A ladder? It's a ladder. Can you climb up here? Oh man, why's the root beer cans in the way? It was coming on up here. We got this sleek floor panel design. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, it's a lot. We got these 2 big wooden beams to support everything. What smart geniuses came up with this? We got logs ready to be screwed in. Perfect. We got a support beam. Oh, I would imagine it'll go right there. Perfect. Screws. This one is long. There's a ladder. Another one? Yeah. Did we just like climb up here or something? Wow. Man, oh man. This is high. This is about, probably around 15 feet off the ground. Man, this is high, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What geniuses came up with this?